Hey beautiful dreamers, it's Nova Rose the Beauty Nerd here, and today we are going to be doing a video on this look right here, which I have been calling the two-toned watermelon inspired look. As you can see, it's green and pink, which are watermelon colors. As usual, all products on my face will be listed down in the description box, and I think that's it. So if you want to know how to do this look right here, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done, and you know, shaped with concealer. I've got concealer on my eyes, nothing else on my face except for primer. For this eyeshadow look, we are going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. As you can see, there's a lot of bright colors. I'm going to be starting off with the pink eye on this side, and then we're going to do the green eye on this one. So to start out with, I'm going to go in with this light pink shade right here on a Real Techniques. This is like a crease brush, and I'm just going to be sweeping that through the crease as like a transition color. Just very generally sweeping it through the crease. If you're wondering why I'm not like, I don't know, full of energy right now, I'm in the process of moving, and as you can probably tell by the background, it's a little bit different. I've got paintings of a dachshund back there, which I will be taking one of those. I think I'm going to take the purple one with me, just so I can have a little reminder of my Doxy, because I love her to death. But anyway, I've already packed up my background, basically. I've packed it up. Next color I'm going to be going in with is this like darker pink shade right here, and I'm just using a Wet n Wild crease brush, and again with sweeping that through my crease. By the time you see this video, I will already be in LA and probably be in class already, because this will be going up the day I start my classes. So I'm super excited, but also like probably the most stressed I've ever been. Just because moving is never an easy thing. I'm going in with that same Real Techniques brush, especially when you've lived in a place for so long that it's hard. Like, I've lived in Ashland for 8, almost 9 years, and I consider it my home, so it's really weird to leave it. Next color I'm going to be taking is this even darker bright pink color right here. Sorry, they don't have names. Otherwise I would tell you the names. And again with sweeping that through the crease. It's also weird to see like all of my stuff packed up. I don't know, it's just weird for me. Last color for the crease I'm going to be taking is this darker pink color right here. And I'm just going to be more focusing that on the outer edge of my crease and blending it a little bit inwards. It's also hard because I have to compact my stuff because I am moving into a dorm, so it's going to be a small space, and I can't, you know, I can't bring a lot of stuff. So that's gonna be weird. Alright, so as a base, I'm going to be taking that bright pink color from before, just for like a base for the lid, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And just kind of blend that out. And for the lid color, we're going to be using Frose from Tarte. This is a chrome paint shadow pot, and this is a beautiful light pink color. I'm just going to be taking my finger and kind of gently patting it on the lid, just very lightly, just to add a little bit of shimmer. Like so. And then I like to take a brush and just kind of blend out the edges just so it's not like a harsh line. And we will be cleaning this up later with like concealer and foundation. So that is the pink side done. We're gonna move on to the green side now. All right, to start off with the green side, I'm gonna be going in with this lime green color right here. Taking that same Real Techniques brush, but I just ran it in some color switch, and we're just gonna be sweeping that generally through the crease to start out the green color. This is coming off almost a little yellow too. Same brush, and I'm going to be going in with this little bit darker, more green color. Sweeping that through the crease as usual, yada yada. Just to make it less yellow and a little more green. And then last color is going to be this darker green color right here. So I actually went in with this kind of more, I mean it looks blue-green, but it comes off more green just because the darker green wasn't giving me the color that I wanted. So I just went in with that and the Real Techniques brush. So that's better. And then for the lid, I'm going to be going in with this green color right here, this sparkly one, and I'm just going to be applying that all over the lid. Alright, so we're almost done with the eyes. I'm going to move on to the face now, and I'm going to go off camera and do my foundation, concealer, and powder, and I will be right back with those on. Alright, so I'm back with my foundation on. I'm going to finish up the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with the brighter pink right here, and we're going to be putting this on under the green. So, you know, a little bit of an opposite look. I'm just going to be sweeping that on my lower lash line, just being very careful not to get too much everywhere, because pink is not something you want like everywhere. And then for the pink green side, I'm going to be going in with that darker kind of blue green, I want to say, and just again with sweeping it very carefully under the eyes. To lighten it up a bit, I'm going to be going in with the lighter green and kind of just layering that over top just to lighten it up the teeniest of bits. Alright, so eye look is done. I went off camera and popped on some mascara, and then I just bronzed up my face. For blush, I've actually been using the Petal Metal Highlighter in Rosematic by the Smashbox as Vlada collection, and as you can see, it looks it's too dark to be an actual highlighter for me, but I saw on Instagram that somebody was using it as a blush, so that's what I've been using it for, and I actually really like it. I really like it. I gotta stop. So I'm gonna just blush up my face, add a nice little blushing moment, you know. Before highlighter, I'm going to quickly spray my face with some setting spray. Fan myself. And then for highlighter, I have Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Siberian Gold, which is just a beautiful highlighter, which I haven't used in a while, so thought I would use it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that and put that in my inner corner and also highlight my brow bone with it. For lips, I'm just going to be going in with the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in Primrose, and this is a kind of like a sample size. I just wanted to do kind of more of a natural lip color because the eye look is very boom. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hit that little bell icon for my post notifications. My social medias are going to be listed down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!